Your life is your breath. The breath is the symbol of all living things and of life itself. In today's meditation, you will become familiar with your breath, with this power source that brings you life, brings you energy and light. Before we dive in, let's take a few deep, luscious inhales and exhales. Lean into your breathing. Don't force it, just follow your natural breathing pattern. Allow your exhales to be longer than your inhales at your own count, at your own pace. Your breath not only has the power to bring in pure oxygen, but it also brings positivity, new energy, pure intention in life. When you exhale, you naturally invite your body to release anxiety, fear, physical and emotional toxicity that you hold in your body. The gift of your breath is that it's a wonderful tool to help you get into emotional balance, ease, calm, and peace. Whenever you're ready, settle in and allow yourself to go deeper. As you go deeper, consider the thought, I heal my body with my breath. I heal my body with my breath. Now, as you breathe, following your natural, normal pattern, become an observant of your breath. Just be the witness of your inhale through your nose and your exhale through your slightly open mouth. Breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth slightly open. And whenever you find your mind wandering, don't worry. Just softly bring it back to your natural breathing rhythm. It is very normal for your mind to wander and look around and search for something else. But just gently and softly bring it back. No judgment, no pressure. Invite it back in to focus on your breath. the word meditation means to cultivate or to become familiar with. Now you are becoming familiar with your breath. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Really feeling the air coming through your nostrils, down your lungs, and then really physically feeling the air leaving your lips. Feel your body change shape as you inhale and exhale. See your abdomen expand and contract. Invite your breath into every cell of your body. I heal my body with my breath. I heal my body with my breath. Breathe in positive energy and exhale negative, stressful energy. Let go of tension, anxiety, pressure. Just let your breath align with your mind and create a physical space of comfort, stability, calm, balance, and ease. Bring your attention back to your awareness and to your natural breathing pattern. Really fill up your lungs with positive, energizing air and exhale negative energy, stressful energy. Try this a few times. Let your body feel like what it feels like to let go. Unwind, tuning out. And whenever you find your mind wandering, just gently and softly bring it back to ease, calm, balance, and peace. Wherever you are, in your office, in your home, just observing how your breath enters and leaves your body and any other sound of distractions. If your mind tries to focus on them, just gently and softly bring it back to observe your natural breath. I heal my body with my breath. I heal my body with my breath. Allow the breath to flow through your body and re-energize every single cell. Visualize this revitalizing force gently clearing your body of stress, anxiety, worry, fear, and bringing peace, ease, comfort, and love. Bring back your attention to the natural breathing pattern. Embrace your breath. Your breath is the one thing that will stay with you throughout your life and that you can use anytime to bring in peace, ease, love into your body. I heal my body with my breath. I heal my body with my breath. Now slowly and gently bring back your attention to your body, to the space around you. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.